Let's look at question 4. Let's look at question 4 from the Eastern Cape. There are two types of jobs: least stressful and most stressful, with their salaries displayed on the graph plotted in Annexure A. Use the information on Annexure A to answer the questions that follow. Immediately, let's go to Annexure A. Very good. There is our Annexure A. Lovely. Okay, so let's study the graph first. So this here says most and least stressful jobs with their salaries. Remember I say in US dollars. Oh, this is in dollars. So remember I said that always check the table, so that one day you'll be also, if you keep reading those in the understanding, when you have to enter it there, you know what they're using. You know, so they use most stressful jobs and least stressful job, and they made a title. Just give more details. The money here is in dollars, and that's all they did. Okay, so firefighter is part of the most stressful jobs, and they get 41,184. I'm thinking that's an annual income. This is in dollars. And I'm going to just come read one of these here. Consultant, which is the least stressful job. Why is there no money? Well, they didn't give us any money there, so we're going to move on. An optometrist, which is an eye doctor, 106,960 per year, and that is the least stressful job. Okay. Now let's go back to the questions. Identify another type of graph that can be used to display the stressful job salaries. Well, this could have been done as a bar graph. I certainly would have done this as a bar graph. I would have used a bar graph to do this. Okay, so question 4.1.1, I would have used a bar graph. Okay, so identify from the graph two jobs that deal with health issues. Health being when you're sick, when you're injured, when you're blind, when you're coughing, when you have an ear infection, when you need a surgery. Okay, let's go. They didn't specify which graph, ne? They said from the two. Identify from the graph two jobs. They didn't say which graph, so both graphs, it's the same graph. Okay. Let's see. Firefighter, no, that's just a hero. Police officer, no. Corporate business. Surgeon, well, there's a person who's doing health. He's a surgeon is somebody who does surgery, cuts you open. Okay, that's one. Surgeon. Commercial pilot, okay, that's just a driver. Air traffic officer, that's just a police officer. That's just a traffic officer. Real estate agent, well, that's somebody who sells houses. Taxi driver, that's a driver. Miner, that's a coal digger. Waiter, that's somebody who gives you your food. Oh, lovely ones, those ones. And then biomedical engineer. Is that a health thing? I don't know. And then transportation services. Well, that's another driver. Civil engineering. Well, that's just a builder. With web developer, well, that's just somebody who makes stuff like a builder. Computer software engineer, like a builder. GIS analyst, well, that's just somebody who reads information and data and just puts it together. Technical writer, well, that's just a writer. Statistician, well, that's just somebody who counts things. Consultant, well, that's just somebody you talk to. Optometrist, there we go. There's another one. So I'll go with surgeon and optometrist, but I think biomedical engineer would also fit in. But I'm going with optometrist. 4.1.2, I'm going with a surgeon, which is a stressful job. They didn't specify if it should be stressful or not, so I'm just going to go surgeon, and then I don't know, optometrist. But I think I would have gone for biomedical engineer as well as a health job. I determine the probability as a percentage of randomly selecting an employee earning a salary more than $70,000. We're just going to go look for somebody who's earning more than $70,000 here. Which job is that? Okay, 41, more than, that's 1, 2, more than 70, No. Okay. More than 70, more than 70, more than 70. Well, is everybody here? No, this one is not. So this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, did I specify from where? Let's go check again. Determine a probability as a percentage of randomly selecting an employee earning a salary. They didn't specify where, so we're just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to go with 12. In case, double check, in case I didn't count one of them. So that's 4.1.3. Probability is equal to possible chances divided by total number of chances. And therefore, probability is equal to what are the possible chances? We said 12. So we're going to go with 12 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 out of 20. Now, did they say anything else? They said as a percentage. So probability, we get it as a fraction from here, and then we're going to calculate the percentage by getting the decimal. Remember, fraction can be changed into a decimal, and a decimal can be changed into a percentage, and a percentage can be changed into a fraction. Remember, percentage can be changed into a decimal, decimal can be changed into a fraction, fraction can be changed into a percentage, percentage can be changed into a decimal, decimal can, and it keeps going on and on and on. So they said they want a percentage, we have a fraction. 12 divided by 20, that's 0.6 times 100, that is 60. So the answer is 0.6 times 100, and that is 60. And that is 60%. Next. Okay, so now we're going to say convert the highest salary on the least stressful jobs on the graph to the nearest million rands, given that $1 is equal to 18 rands and 40 cents. So they're saying we must convert, write it in the nearest million rands. Wait, those are in dollars. Oh, they said, no, it's okay. There's a conversion factor. So first we have to use the conversion factor, and then we can round off nicely. Okay. My tongue today is getting very twisted. 4.1.4, we have $1 is equal to 18 rands and 42 cents. Right. And then we're going to go there, and they said convert the highest salary of the least stressful job. I'm going to convert the highest salary of the least stressful job. Highest salary, least stressful. There's least stressful, highest, $106,960. $106,960. Okay. So now we are going to say we don't know how much in rands, but we're going to cross multiply and find it. $1 times unknown is equal to $106,960 times 18 rands and 42 cents. And then we divide by $1 this side, divide by $1 that side, and then we have unknown is equal to, and then we multiply the two and divide by $1. 106,960 times 18.42, and that is divided by 1. I always make sure I know how it all goes, so that it doesn't matter what I'm dividing by. 1,970,203.20, and that is what my calculator says. I'm just going to check for the last mark there. Check if you've done everything. Always check if you've done everything. Round off to the nearest million. And that's 1,970,000. Okay, million is here, so they want us to round off to there. So this one, the neighbor says this one becomes 2. What happens to the rest of the numbers? 0, 0, 0. What happens to 2? 0. What happens to 0, 0. What happens to 3, 0, a comma. What happens to 2, 0. What happens to this? 0. So we have 2 million rands and 0 cents, and that is our rounded off amount. So 4.2. Now we come to 4.2. 4.2 says write down the total premium. I'm rushing. The policy number here in event Ivan received his home insurance calculations. Study the statement below and answer the questions that follow. SASRIA, South African Special Risk Insurance Association. Policy number there. That's the policy number for Ivan. Premium summary and annual premium calculations. So homeowner, they got 4,400 Rand there. For premium is what you pay. And then that paying for SASSA, whatever. Subtotal excluding VAT. Administration fee including VAT. So we have to calculate VAT, the administration fee. Oh, we have to find the administration fee. And then if you add that with that, and then it adds to that. Okay. First question says, SASRIA is a state-owned entity that provides coverage for damage caused by special risks, such as politically motivated strikes and public disorders. Ooh, that is a good insurance to have, but then insurance are like, ugh, scam. 4.2.1 says, write down the total premium amount, including VAT, in cents. Give your final answer in words. Right, the total premium amount. There's the total premium amount. There. They said you must write that only in cents. Well, there's 1 rand has 100 cents. And therefore, this one will be times 100. And we have our home run. 4.2.1. We have 5,309 rands and 21 cents. So they are saying must convert this to only cents. Just multiply that by 100. I don't know what good that will do. Multiply that by 100. 5,309.21 times 100, and you have only in cents, which is 530,921 cents only. Okay, now let's go to the next question. VAT, express the administration fee as a percentage of the total premium, including VAT. Administration fee. Express the administration fee. We do not have the administration fee. So if you go there and you look for the administration fee before you even calculate it as a percentage, we do not have it. So we have to find the administration fee first. How do we find the administration fee? Well, this is a total for everything, right? This is a total for everything. And so we have to take this minus this, and then we get the administration fee. Let me just go there. 5,309.21 minus 4,529.86, and then that's 779.31 administration fee. So 4.2.2 is, you're saying the administration fee. First, we calculated the administration fee, which is 5,309.21 minus 4,529.86, and then we get the administration fee.